Today, we are going to show you how to set up and use the child lock on your 3D printer. First, click on Setting. Once you are in the Settings interface, click on Control. In the Control interface, look down and turn on the child lock. You will be prompted to set a 4-digit password. Enter it once, then confirm it. And just like that, your child lock is set up. With the child lock turned on, you'll need to enter a 4-digit password every time you want to see the screen. This prevents children or other unauthorized individuals from accidentally operating the screen and potentially affecting your prints. To turn off the child lock, simply go to the control interface and turn it off directly. That's how you turn on and off the child lock on your 3D printer.